The 2007 Chevrolet Uplander. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including front and rear reading lights, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, ignition disabling, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We encourage you to browse our online inventory, schedule a test drive, and investigate financing options.